and back, 2 and back. Make sure you go all the way down and up. All right, so yep, keep your back straight. All right, you're kind of leaning when you're going. I want you to focus on posture. Focus there, Luke. Good. Focus, guys. Good. Up and down. There you go. Good. Make sure you're working both sides. Good. And extend. All right. So you're really locking out and tightening your butt. Good. Good. A couple more. Good. All right. So now, what I want is you're gonna add the front kick in here. Okay. So 1 and back. All right. And so this time, if you're driving up, and really squeeze it with this one. All right. And then we'll switch to do 10 on one side, 10 on the other. Focus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Get your guards up. 8, 9, 10. Good. Switch the other side. Good. There you go. Push, push. Good. Drive up. Good. Good. All right. Once you're done with that, give me 40 jumping jacks.